You know what day of the week it is. Sports Saturday it is. Next up, we got the craziest one in a trillion moments in sports history, man. Let's see what it is. Time.
Downey.
Wait, is that tied? Did he just one hit him? Wait a minute. He threw one punch and fell. Whoa, that was a 1 in a trillion moment right there.
Look at that. Is that
What
a
the
catch?
fuck? Yo!
Ball never hit the ground.
Yo.
Foul tip, 2 strikes.
That's a 1 in a trillion moment right there.
I got it.
Bro, he hit it into his mace. Bro, that had to be so scary, bro. Is it getting to his face mask?
I can't believe that catch. Drew Willie just placed that right in his arm.
What the fuck? He literally put it in his arm, bro. How do you do that? How do you do
The
that?
steal and the dunk.
Oh, he missed it.
No, that was good. Yeah. It came out.
Wait, did we miss that? That's not considered a miss, right? He made it.
Remember the
He just went
Bobby
out.
play in New York a few years ago? I mean, this goes through, yeah. That was good.
So is it in or out? Damn. Look like me out there. Oh! Yo, he just went through the wall. Oh my god. Bro, it whoa. Bro, chill out, bro. He just sprints right through the wall.
Mariota to the line of scrimmage, maybe across the line. It deflects
I got
back
seen
to
that.
him for a touchdown for the moment.
Wait.
So therefore he is an eligible receiver. It is a touchdown.
Oh, because he already threw it. So after he throws the ball, like anything that happens once you throw the ball past the line of scrimmage is, you know what I'm saying? Oh, somebody shooting the stadium up? What's happening?
Wow. That knocked.
Oh, it's a
Players are
win.
coming off the field whether they want them to or not. Yeah.
I love how everybody get the fuck on.
Willingham at
I like
first
that
base
part.
went down on all fours. I don't blame him. Wow.
That knocked me down.
Wait, so what
That thing
happened?
came
What?
out of
What?
Nowhere. Sure did.
Gerard steps up, fires. Mike Sims Walker knocked down.
Oh, he caught it! Oh, unbelievable! Mike Thomas, touchdown Jags! Ball game! 50 yards!
Going to go up for it, but it's knocked to the ground, right into the
Bro, imagine being that
hands.
much of an L, bro. You literally, bro, that was the, wasn't that a game-winning touchdown? He literally batted to the.
Glover Quinn knocks it down with both hands like a volleyball player, spiking it over the
What
net.
is wrong with you, bro? Just literally try to pick it off
Right
like
field,
at least.
Langworthy, deep.
Gone!
What is wrong with you? You are a walking L. Bro, he literally just put it in the. Woo, he gave him a home run, bro. Wait, that's a walk-off? That was a walk-off? Wait.
Deep.
Bro, you know how salty you gotta be, bro? Bro, talk about being salty, bro. I would be so salty.
Disrupts it.
1 second
Lamb
left.
has to throw it up. Oh my!
What?
It goes.
Bro, that was a 1 in a trillion moment, bro. You can't, I ain't gonna lie, as a defender on that play, you can't even be mad,
From
bro.
Lamb.
You can't be mad.
Can the receivers
Come
get
on, bro.
far enough down the field?
All right, Trash Lions, my home team.
Rodgers in trouble.
It's funny because Rodgers always doing some crazy shit against the Lions,
Have
bro.
a vintage moment in him. In the end zone. It is caught.
Game-winning touchdown, bro.
Richard
Trash
Rodgers
Lions.
with a walk-off touchdown. A game ender for the Packers.
During overtime's popular personalities calling the action. As James hits the floor and the ball
Okay,
gets
buddy.
stuck between the rim and the backboard.
Bro, how do you
couldn't do
perfectly
that
get
again
it right
if you
into
paid
there,
him.
bro?
Like
Perfectly.
James trying to dupe the official into a foul right here. Came close.
They will jump it up at center court.
Yeah, anyone can jump.
That's a terrible
Robinson
shot.
very
The
close.
fact that you
there
literally
to
hit
a
the
foul.
side, like literally the side. That's a terrible shot.
Oh,
Damn!
hits Lee.
Bro, he just tried to beam that bitch. Hit him right in the. He didn't get out the way. Wait, isn't that interference, right? That's interference. Because he's supposed to get out the way, ain't you?
He got rid of the ball.
That's interference.
Every single day.
Bro, how you throw it right at the bat? He threw it right at the bat. Yo, chill. Bro, how you throw it right at the bat, though? That's the funny part.
Oh, yeah, that's the way.
Did he do a hole in one?
Hold on. Oh. Well, that's hard to do. With
Huh? Are you serious?
Oh, nice.
Bouncing ball fielded at the 25.
Oh, you got to be kidding me.
Oh, look at this. This is Dan Connolly.
What is happening?
The right guard.
No.
The right guard.
No. Oh.
Still going.
Okay. The fact y'all even let that happen says a lot. The fact y'all let a 300-pound man run at least 50 yards downfield on kickoff. Look, he literally running. Look, bro. Look how he's holding the ball. Look how he's holding the ball. Bro, look how he's holding the ball.
That's unbelievable.
Bro, look, bro. He's holding the ball like literally like a loaf of bread, bro. He's holding like this, not like this. He's holding like this, bro. Like the ball is pointing this way up, bro. Like what? He didn't even know how to carry the ball. They literally teach you that in elementary school. Like what? You don't know how to carry the ball, and y'all let this nigga run like that? Chill. Oh my God, he carried that bitch like a baby, yo. Chill.
Look at the big guy with
This
the move.
nigga
He's
got
gonna cut back.
oh my God, I don't know
That
what
is
I'm
the
watching.
loaf of bread carry.
I don't know what I'm watching, yo.
There goes the runner.
If you would have scored, that'd been the best highlight of any football.
And it's gonna fall in for a
We gotta see a
Now watch this swing, and that ball bounces. So here we go. Here's your.
Oh, it hit the
kinda like a
ground.
drop
Wait.
kick, but with a bat.
So what's that called? Is that a ball or what?
Oh, and it goes in.
Oh, okay, damn.
With a big smile.
One in a trillion moment right there. The fuck?
Well, the boys in the audio room.
Bro, what was that?
That's on you.
What was that? What did he just do? What was that, KD? Why can't he look like? Why can't he run like that, bro? That's okay. That's OKC days.
Even though he's having a good game now.
Man, I was about to say that's look old as hell.
The 2-2. Got a piece of it.
Got a good piece of it and actually had a real good swing.
Oh, look at this. There go the sprinklers.
Bro, that's a one in a trillion moment. The sprinklers went on in the middle of the game.
Just on the
Bro, imagine.
infield, but Pedro soaking wet.
Bro, I'm trying to think about like, bro, he is soaking wet, bro. We gotta change jerseys. Don't he got extra jerseys for him?
Here it is. Yep.
Smacked himself in the face.
Went in, it hit his chest, and came right back out.
Still on his feet.
He has no helmet on. Oh, he's a savage. Bro, he just banged his ass with no helmet on.
Didn't have his helmet on.
Yo.
No helmet, Brayman. He got a tough defense.
Bro, he just banged. Look. And that's a hit too. It's like you just like push him out of bounds, bro. You hit him. He did not care. Yo, you are
That
crazy.
was a collision.
Yo, you crazy as hell. I ain't gonna. Dang.
Unbelievable.
Look, the Tigers blowing them out though. 5-zip. I like to see that. They about to mercy them niggas.
Look at that.
Damn.
Did that break something on his mask?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Did it break something? Oh, I think that, bro. I think it just hit it like that's like it was a called what's that thing called, bro? Like it be.
Going up for the jump ball with Darko Milicic.
Whoa, wait. That's a one in a trillion moment.
As many days, 5 on the season, and there's a drive toward right field. Turner Ward going over, makes a great diving catch, and we lost Turner Ward. He goes up and through the wall apparently.
Oh, he can't even throw the ball in. Look, this guy threw the ball.
Went through a door out there in right
Ooh,
field,
it's crazy how bro. It's crazy
good.
how all them like everyone is like a little rectangle. You know what I'm saying? On the wall, and every single one is there, but he chooses to go through the door. That's the one in a trillion moment right there. 1 in a trillion. That's really a 1 in a trillion because think about all them. That's like a trillion one of them. Whoa, that's legal. That is legal, ain't it? You can go all the way. You can go all the way to Afghanistan and catch the ball. I forgot about that. That nigga literally was in the stands, bro. He's about to see his mom in the stands. Yo, why did he really just do that though? He did not care. He did not care. What if he stepped on one of them? He got cleats. I think about he got cleats. He would step on somebody. Wait, what you mean it's gonna count? How's it gonna count? It's the behind the backboard. That doesn't count. That's a 1 in a trillion moment, bro.
But that works. Wilson Contreras.
What?
Strike one. So the first pitch was foul.
Huh? It went inside, bro. Did it go inside the umpire's pocket, the ball pocket?
Right into his pocket.
Whoa! That's crazy. That's a 1 in a trillion moment right there. Dog, that's crazy.
Romo back with time.
Tony
Deep
Romo?
middle Witten. There you go. Now he needs 3. Lost his helmet. Keeps running without a hat.
Score.
15 to the 10 to the 6.
I would have scored, bro. Come on.
And they'll get Quentin Michael is 5'10".
He stole that nigga
Jason
helmet off
Witten
his
is
head.
6'5".
That's hard to see though.
So when you go helmet to helmet, you gotta go up a little bit. Christy Scales.
NFL Films is gonna love this. Witten comes.
High fly ball, right field deep. Can
Run through the
back
thing,
to the
man.
track. Look it out. It is off his head, it looked like. And
Huh? Off his head? Are you serious?
it can sink over the top of the head.
Bro, stop playing, bro. Off his head. Stop.
On the
Stop.
ball, reaches
Stop.
up. Hits him right in the head.
Him off his head. Bro, why they go off his head? Off the dummy dome.
And bounced over
Off the
wall
dummy
for a
dome.
homer. Look at this.
10 seconds remaining. Elamine off to Bosco. He was blessed. The shot wouldn't drop. Hamilton! No! Another tip! No! Hamilton! Off the buzzer! Yes! Connecticut wins!
Oh my god. Dang! That was sweet. That was sweet. I ain't gonna lie. That was cold. That was cold. Dog, look at the accuracy. Whoa! Okay, buddy. Who you think you is? That pitcher got all his cool points right there. I ain't gonna lie. He got all his cool points. I mean, that catcher got all his cool points. He got all his cool points. I ain't gonna cap. Tom. What? Wait, did he catch off his leg? Wait, ain't this the Super Bowl? This is the Super Bowl, yeah.
Let's see who comes down with it.
He caught it. Yo, he caught it. That's a catch. Wow, that's crazy. Hey, man, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Comment me yet to next, man. Follow me on Instagram for our most active at. We're going to grind to 1K, man.